Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making some Creole chicken and shrimp gumbo. This is a fantastic one-pot recipe that's easy to make. Although the words Creole and Cajun are used interchangeably these days in cooking, what originally made this dish a Creole dish was the use of tomatoes in the gumbo. Let me know in the comments below if you know any different. So if you're ready, let's go. The first thing to do is to make the roux. So in a large pan with a thick bottom, heat up 4 tablespoons of oil or butter. Add 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix the two together on low to medium heat for about 20 minutes, stirring as you go. Do this until the roux turns a dark brown color. At this point, add in 1 chopped onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 stem of chopped celery, stir this together until the vegetables have softened. Add in 2 pieces of chicken breast that have been diced, 300 grams of smoked sausage. This is the kind of sausage I'm using in this recipe, but you can use any kind of smoked sausage that you'd like. Cook the meat and vegetables together for a few minutes until the chicken is no longer pink. Add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, stir in the seasonings and then pour in 500 milliliters of chicken stock and 1 can of tomatoes that have been blended with 200 milliliters of water. Add in 2 cups or 200 grams of okra. I'm using frozen ones here, but use fresh okra if you have it. Add in 1 bay leaf and bring the mixture up to a gentle simmer. Place the lid on and cook for 50 minutes, stirring occasionally so that the gumbo doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. After 50 minutes, the gumbo is almost ready. At this stage, give it a taste to see if it needs more salt. Add in 200 grams of shrimp or prawns and cook for a further 10 minutes. Serve the gumbo with some freshly boiled rice and some chives for garnish. For those of you that like your gumbo spicy, sprinkle on your favorite hot sauce. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more great recipes and see you next time.